welcome back to my channel. I'm all showered, I had brunch, I'm all dressed. I just need to slick back my hair, or should I wear it down? I don't know if I want to slick back my hair or just put it back with a clip, because I feel like I've been wearing it slicked every day for the past 2 weeks, and I kind of just want to let my hair chill. The one thing about wearing my hair down is I literally don't recognize myself because I'm so used to it being up and like so slicked like that, and then when it's down it just doesn't do the same thing. I am going to get a haircut very soon, so I feel like wearing it down and enjoying the longness of it is what I should be doing on these last few days with it very long. So maybe I will give my hair a break and also my head, because I have been getting headaches from the amount of screen time I've had recently with VLOGMAS. So I think not having my hair in a slick back and so like tight is the way to go. We shall see. I still want it like away from my face, so I feel like the clip is doable. I just curled my eyelashes a little bit and brushed out my eyebrows, and I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Benefit roller lash just to like the ends of my lashes, because they look very light and almost look like I don't have any, so I feel like I need to add a little bit of color to them. I'm literally going in with like the thinnest, lightest baby coat ever, but it like does so much at the same time. We're going to be doing some designer holiday shopping today at the Americana. If you guys are from New York or Long Island, then you already know what the Americana is, but it's basically like an outdoor mall with all designer stores. So we're going to be browsing around and seeing what to get. I don't have any specific things in mind, but just being in those shops and looking around, you definitely get a lot of ideas once you're there. So stay tuned for the rest of this video to see what we end up getting and the stores that we shop at. So I'll see you guys when I'm in the car and when we're on our way. Here's a little overview of all the packages that we're about to unbox. And my mom got me a few things from Bottega for Christmas that I won't be unboxing, but stay tuned for a future video where I show you guys what I got for Christmas, because that will be coming. If you are someone who I'm planning on exchanging gifts with this Christmas season, please do not watch the rest of this video because I will be unboxing your gift. And if not, keep on watching because I'm going to share with you everything that I will be gifting this holiday season. Starting off with the first package, I got 2 different sets from Park. I'm planning on gifting this to my boyfriend's sister, Kate, and I think that she is going to absolutely love this set. And for MQ's other sister, Megan, I got her the same crew neck but in this deep blue color. I have this one as well, and I love this color so much. I think it's so different. And again, just the style, the fit, the quality, everything about this sweatshirt is perfect. Next up is a package from Jerk Avenue. I got this kitchen glove set with the Summer Berries print. And this is also for Kate because she is an insane chef and baker, and I just know that she will absolutely love this and put it to great use. She also loves berries so much, so this print just screamed her name when I saw it, and I'm so excited to gift this to her. Next up, I got 2 Jolie shower heads for Megan and Kate as well. This is a gift that I'm very excited to gift to them because I personally love my Jolie shower head and actually do not know how I showered without it. So I know that they will love these so much, and I signed myself up to the filter subscription because I've had mine for just about 3 months now and I have not changed the filter yet, and I think you're supposed to change it every 3 months. Here is another gift that I got from my mom. This is a light therapy lamp, which she has been wanting for a while now. If you guys know, we live in New York where it gets dark at 4 p.m. and the winter cold months are just not fun because of how cold it is, but also because how dark and just gloomy it is. Like, we lack the sun here in New York. Something about these light therapy lamps, I think you're supposed to spend like 20 minutes a day under this lamp or having this lamp on around you while you're working or in your space, and it's just supposed to have a lot of health benefits and make you happier. So she's been wanting one, and I figured what better time to gift this to her than for the holidays. And this thing is heavy, so I think it's the real deal. We shall see, and I'll let you guys know what she thinks of it once she puts it to use. Let's open. Ooh, I love this. This is for my boyfriend, MQ. He is traveling abroad starting in January, so I figured this would be the most perfect gift for him to use on all of his little getaways, and something that he definitely needs. Last but certainly not least is a really heavy package from Hexclad Cookware. This is for MQ's parents, and it is actually a pot and pan set. I am so excited about this because I have heard great reviews from so many different people, including my brother Adelmo. He actually uses these pans and says great things about them. They're stainless steel, cast iron, scratch resistant, and they're just amazing. So this is a gift set of 3 pans and 3 pots. Here is one of the pots, and it has this hybrid detailing on the inside, and the side just looks like this. It is so beautiful, and they're also very easy to clean, which is obviously amazing. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap this and get it in my car. It is so heavy, but MQ's whole family loves to cook, so I know that these pots and pans will be used very well, and I'm so excited to gift these to them. That completes my whole unboxing haul. There are still some things that I'm waiting for to come in the mail, and some more shopping that I actually have to do for a few other loved ones in my life. So stay tuned for more unboxings and more shopping hauls coming your way. But now it's time to wrap all of this stuff and start putting it all under the tree. So this is what the floor is looking like. There are packages and goodies and presents everywhere, and I definitely need to start breaking down all of these boxes, get all of this in the trash, and start wrapping all of these gifts. It's been about 2 hours, I would say, of wrapping gifts, and they turned out so beautiful. I love how the wrapping looks. Here's a close-up at the wrapping paper with the twine and the stickers, and everything is so festive. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 16. I love you so much, and have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Mwah!